In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Respectable principal, honorable chief guest, respecting audience, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I would like to wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today, I'm here to present a speech on Independence Day. I'm glad to join to you on the day of independence. The day of 14th August, when Islamic Republic Pakistan came into being. Every year, this day is celebrated in Pakistan as the day of independence. This day is one of the most important days present in history. This day has huge importance because on this day we got independence in 1947 by the day and night hard work of our beloved Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. According to Islamic calendar, we got independence on 27th of Ramadan. This national festival is celebrated with great zeal. Thousands of brave freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to get freedom from British rule. Due to these freedom fighters, we are living a happy life. Respected sir, the history of Muslims is a continuous struggle of 100 years of the Muslims of subcontinent. I remember the day when all Muslims were united for the main cause of Pakistan. I remember the day when all Muslims were devoted on slogan. I remember the slogan, Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad. Ladies and gentlemen, we should make a strong decision to value of our nation and never forget the sacrifice from those who gave us freedom. I request the youth of Pakistan to remove social criminals from Pakistan. In the end, I pray that Pakistan will ever make progress as other countries in the world are making. Pakistan Zindabad.